Alright, I'm jammed here in the basement. I'm cleaning a pocket watch with my watch cleaning machine. There's the watch basket in the first jar. I've got a couple of jars here. I'm kind of jammed in the corner in the basement here, so I apologize for the mess. The next two jars are rinsing jars, and that's the heating element in the heating jar right there that you dump the basket into. So it's spinning away, and then my timer is set here, so I set the timer to 10. I don't think it's 10 minutes, but it's 10. And then I've got a rheostat right here, and that adjusts the actual speed of that basket. And here we've got a reverse and forward. I just run it in forward. And then once I get to the second bin here, this is the first motor or first cleaning jar. I get to the second jar, I turn on the heater right here. Bam, the heater goes on, and then this heating element heats up for the final bin. So that's the final circuit for the watch basket. So that's it there. It's the close-up of the watch basket. So you can zoom in there. Look at that thing flying around, man. Look at it flying around. So this is a Pearl watch machine. So you see the label here. Pearl, it says 220 to 230 volts. When I got it at a tag that was stuck on there that said 120, I don't for a second think it was 120. I think it runs off of, or 110 actually. I think it runs off of 220, and I think that's why and it's India. So the Vardy brothers in India, and I think that's why this rheostat is so friggin' sensitive, because it's really running off a higher voltage. So anyway, that's it. That's the Pearl watch cleaning machine. It's quite a beast. And if you want to know anything more about that, just let me know and send me an email at my email address that's on all my videos. So thanks a lot, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos and give me some advice. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.